Hello, friends. Welcome back to Talk Through Tales. Today, I'm going to tell you a beautiful and relaxing story called The Journey of a Raindrop. In this story, you'll not only enjoy the journey of a tiny drop of rain, but also learn 9 useful English phrasal verbs that you can use in your daily life. So sit back, listen carefully, and let's begin the story of Ria, the curious little raindrop who wanted to explore the world below. Story: The Journey of a Raindrop. High above the earth, a tiny droplet named Ria the Raindrop floated in the clouds. She loved her soft white home, but she often looked down and wondered what life was like on the ground below. One day, dark clouds gathered, and the wind whispered, "Ria, it's time to begin your journey." With a gentle push, Ria fell down from the sky. She passed through cool air, saw birds flying beside her, and felt the thrill of falling freely. Soon, she landed on a green leaf and sparkled in the sunlight. "Wow, the earth is so beautiful," she whispered happily. But her journey had just begun. A soft breeze blew her off the leaf, and she slid down into a stream. The stream carried her along through rocks and flowers. She met other drops who were laughing and flowing together. They shared stories of rivers, oceans, and mountains. After a long journey, Ria joined up with a big river. The river rushed through forests and villages, giving life to plants, animals, and people. Ria felt proud. She was part of something much bigger. Finally, one sunny day, the warm rays of the sun lifted her up into the sky again. She smiled and said, "The journey never ends." She rose higher and higher, becoming a cloud once more, ready for another adventure. Now explore the meanings and real-life uses of phrasal verbs through example sentences. 1. Fall down, to drop from a higher place. I fell down from the tree. Ria fell down from the sky. 2. Land on, to come down onto something. The bird landed on a branch. Ria landed on a leaf. 3. Blow off, to remove something with wind. The wind blew off my hat. The breeze blew Ria off the leaf. 4. Slide down, to move smoothly downward. I slid down the hill. Ria slid down into the stream. 5. Carry along, to take something with movement. The current carried the boat along. The stream carried Ria along. 6. Flow together, to move in the same direction. The two rivers flowed together. The raindrops flowed together happily. 7. Join up, to become part of something. I joined up with a new group. Ria joined up with the big river. 8. Rush through, to move quickly through a place. The wind rushed through the trees. The river rushed through forests. 9. Lift up, to move upward. The balloon lifted up into the sky. The sun lifted Ria up again. And that was the story of Ria the Raindrop. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English phrasal verbs today. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to Talk Through Tales for more such interesting English learning stories. Also, tell me in the comments, which part of Ria's journey did you like the most? See you soon with another story that helps you learn English in a fun way. Till then, keep smiling